In the heart of the mystical whispering forest, where ancient trees murmur secrets of old, a young and spirited adventurer named Elara embarks on a journey like no other. Guided by the whispers of the enchanted woods, Elara discovers a world brimming with magic, hidden wonders, and challenges that test her courage and wit. As she ventures deeper into the forest, Elara learns that the true magic lies not just in the spells and enchantments, but in the bonds of friendship and the strength found within herself. Join Elara on this enchanting adventure, where every rustle of leaves and every glimmer of light holds a new story waiting to be told. The Whispering Woods. In a small village nestled between towering mountains and a dense forest, there lived a young girl named Elara. Unlike other children, Elara had a special gift. She could hear the whispers of the forest. The trees, the wind, and even the animals spoke to her in a language only she could understand. The warning. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the village, Elara heard a faint, urgent whisper. It was the voice of the ancient oak tree at the heart of the forest. Danger approaches, it warned. The balance of our world is at risk. Elara's heart raced as she tried to comprehend the gravity of the message. She had always known the forest was special, but this was the first time it had spoken to her directly. She knew she had to act quickly, but she was unsure where to start. The village elders had always told tales of the forest's wisdom, but they never mentioned anything about impending danger. Into the forest. Determined to uncover the mystery, Elara ventured into the forest. The trees guided her path, their leaves rustling with secrets. She followed the whispers to a hidden glade where she found an old, weathered book lying on a stone pedestal. The book was bound in leather and adorned with strange symbols that glowed faintly in the twilight. As she reached out to touch it, the symbols seemed to pulse with life, as if recognizing her presence. The air around her grew thick with anticipation, and she felt a connection to the forest that she had never experienced before. She knew this book held the answers she sought. The Book of Secrets. As Elara opened the book, she was transported to a realm of magic and wonder. She discovered that the forest was not just a collection of trees, but a living entity that protected the village from dark forces. The book revealed that an ancient sorcerer, long thought to be a myth, had returned to reclaim his power and plunge the world into darkness. Each page, she turned unveiled more about the sorcerer's past and his insidious plans. Elara felt a mix of fear and determination. She realized that the fate of her village, and perhaps the entire world, rested on her shoulders. The quest begins. With the help of her newfound knowledge and the guidance of the forest spirits, Elara embarked on a quest to stop the sorcerer. She faced many challenges, from navigating treacherous terrains to solving ancient riddles. Along the way, she befriended a mischievous fox named Fenrir and a wise old owl named Orin, who became her loyal companions. Fenrir's cunning and Orin's wisdom proved invaluable as they traversed the forest. They encountered magical creatures, some friendly and others hostile, each adding to the complexity of their journey. Elara's bond with her companions grew stronger with each passing day. Trials and tribulations. As Elara grew stronger and more confident, she realized that her true power lay not in her ability to hear the whispers, but in her courage and determination. She faced numerous trials, each one testing her resolve and strength. From battling fierce creatures to deciphering cryptic messages, Elara's journey was fraught with peril. Yet, with each challenge, she learned more about herself and the true nature of the forest. Her connection to the ancient oak deepened, and she began to understand the profound wisdom it held. The final battle. In a final, epic battle, Elara confronted the sorcerer in the heart of the forest. With the combined strength of her friends and the forest itself, she managed to defeat him, restoring peace and balance to her world. The battle was fierce, with magic crackling through the air and the ground shaking beneath their feet. Elara's determination never wavered, and with a final, powerful spell, she banished the sorcerer back to the shadows. The forest erupted in a chorus of relief and joy, its ancient magic once again in harmony. A hero's humility. The village celebrated Elara as a hero, but she remained humble, knowing that her journey was just the beginning. The whispers of the forest continued to guide her, and she vowed to protect the magic and wonder of her world for generations to come. She spent her days teaching others about the forest's secrets and the importance of balance. Elara's story became a legend, inspiring future generations to cherish and protect the world around them. The ancient oak's whispers became a symbol of hope and wisdom, a reminder of the courage it takes to face the unknown. As the last rays of sunlight filtered through the ancient trees, Elara stood at the edge of the forest, her heart filled with gratitude and resolve. The journey had transformed her, revealing the strength and courage she never knew she possessed. The whispers of the woods, once a mysterious guide, had become a part of her very soul. With the sorcerer defeated and balance restored, Elara knew her story was just one chapter in the timeless saga of the Whispering Woods. She vowed to protect its magic and wisdom, ensuring that its secrets would continue to inspire and guide future generations. The forest, ever watchful and wise, whispered its eternal promise: as long as there are those who listen, the magic of the Whispering Woods will never fade. The moral of the story is that true strength comes from within. Elara's journey teaches us that, while special abilities and external guidance can be valuable, it is our inner courage, determination, and willingness to face challenges that truly empower us to overcome obstacles and make a difference. Additionally, the story emphasizes the importance of humility and the ongoing commitment to protect and nurture the world around us.